Part 6, painting with solid colors. We'll start from the main dialogue for this exercise, where we have lots of choices of how to get there. We've got push button over here on the right side that will bring up the color picker. We have the pop-up menu, which you get with a right click outside the project and choose segment color. And you've got up in edit select solid color. Any one of those will do exactly the same thing. It brings up the color picker so you can choose the color that you want to use to paint segments with. Now it's composed of a list of colors. You can thumb our way through it and see what the colors look like. Or we can click in the sample palette and get a color that doesn't correspond to any wood, but it's a color. And down here and below the colored palette we have various kinds of wood, and what you get as a color depends on exactly where in the picture that you click. Click at some places you get dark wood, and in some cases you get light wood. You can also manufacture a color of your own choice by moving the red, blue, and green sliders. According to your choice. You get a color you like, you can give it a name, save it, actually give it a name, give it a cost value, board foot cost, and save it so you'll be able to use it in other projects. But these are all colors that come with the program out of the box. So we'll start with cherry. Okay, notice that the sample color box down below and to the right of the top view shows the current color and tells you what its name is. Now, painting of segments is with the right mouse click. So I can click a given segment by right-clicking on that. Notice I get two segments. When I look at the top view, I can see there are two segments. The one I clicked on and its partner on the other side of the project. Click on that one, I get another two. Click on that one, I get another two. And one more time. There I've done every other one. Or I can do it faster by painting the current ring. When I right-clicked beside layer 2 got highlighted, and one of the choices is paint current ring, so there's the whole ring. If I don't like what I did to that layer and I want to clear the ring, then I can clear that ring. Or I can clear, regardless of where I click, all colors, get rid of all of them. So we'll go back and put in some colors. And we'll pick another color. We'll use the push button instead for another color. And we'll pick an orange. So now I can click those spaces. All right clicks. Make those colors. If I've got a color that I want to use that's already in the project, just click on that color and notice the color swatch changes. Now I'm painting with the cherry again. I can click paint with cherry. And click on cherry and turn it off. Just a toggle. And let's say you're done with painting right now and you'd like to finish up the rest in maple. Well, okay. We'll choose solid color. And we'll choose maple. Say OK. Click one more time and say paint background. So all the rest of it goes to maple. And that's how you color individual segments with solid colors.